Okay, in this video, we are going to check Kapwing, which is a website that will help you to create photo montage and video montage, video effects. So it's completely free, or you have a free version and a professional version, which is paid. You can see here the pricing. So what we will do here is we will start to check the dashboard or your space that you're gonna create with Kapwing. First thing you need to do is to sign in. So click here, sign in, and say you can use Facebook, you can use Google. In my case, I want to use Facebook, and that's it. Now this is my space, my workspace. I can create new workspace right away. So let's call this JBD tube sample. Well, I don't know. Let's call it workspace. Next step. Now, what you can do here is to copy and paste this link, perhaps on your social network, or you can use this for sending an email, or you can do anything with this link. Anyone who gets this link can get into your space, into your workspace. Now you can invite people here by email. So you just click in here and type the email and click on send invite, and that's all you need to do. Now let's finish this. So this will be my workspace. You can see I have more workspaces here, so I can manage all my work in Kapwing using this dashboard right here, and it's pretty useful. And again, it's totally for free right now. I am using a free plan. You can see it right here at the top. This is my Facebook account, and now I can start to work with Kapwing. Now we already saw this website in other videos. So if you go in the YouTube channel, you will find other videos about Kapwing, for example, how to use a green screen or chroma key. Just click on search here, type Kapwing, and you're gonna find other video guides. And we are also going to create a playlist here on the channel so that we will keep all the Kapwing video guides together. So you can check other videos here. You can also, if you want to support us, you can subscribe and also create an account and join. And also you can use these links here at the top right or the information, and there we go. Now let's get back to Kapwing. So what we can do now here is create new content right away. So we have this empty workspace. We can create new content, and this is pretty easy. So this will get me into the studio, which is the main tool of Kapwing. Now, one thing really important is that we don't have to download and install anything. Everything is online. So I just need to define and manage my workspace. Everything will be online. I don't need to download and install anything, and it's free. Now I can type the name of the project. So I can call this first project. Okay, and I can add media. So if I click here, this will bring me into my Windows, and I can upload anything. So I don't know, maybe I can upload an image from the download folder. Yeah, okay. Maybe I can upload this. Okay, so there you go. I have my content here at the left. Now I can click in the plus icon, and this will get my image inside my panel here. Now this will be an image until I convert this into a video. Now to convert this into a video, I just go here to animate and maybe add something, for example, a fade, and this will turn a simple image into an animated image. So this will become an animation basically. Okay, now this is my first project. Now I can get back to my workspace, and we are going to do other videos on how to create many different types of projects, like um, image sequence or a video montage or video effects and many more. Just subscribe and stay tuned, stay updated. Now, other thing we can do here from the workspace is to get into the details, and I can change here some details. And let's get back, and I can upload from here as well. I can share my workspace also here with my colleagues, with my friends, and so on. I can also create a team. So right now I have created a team, and I can add users to the team by adding the emails. So I can collaborate with other people. I can share this space. Maybe we are working on a team project, and I can do everything here. So this is kind of also a little bit like a management tool as well. Okay, let's get back to JB YouTube Workspace here. So I can continue to create more workspaces and manage them from here. Other things here, I can get to the tools. So we can access the tools from here, or we can access the tools from here at the bottom. So we have tools, we have collections, we have pricing and other stuff. So if we go into the tools, we can see we have many different tools like video editor, meme generator, subtitle, and you can read all the description here to know what all these tools are about. But basically, the most of these tools will be into the studio panel that we saw before. So for example, if I want to create a meme, I want to do a meme generator, I click here. This will bring me into the meme generator, and I can do two things. I can get started and start from scratch, which is pretty similar to what we did in the first project before, or we can select a template, an example or a sample file that we can start and just modify with our customized content. So we can start with these, which are pretty empty. So we need to insert the image and change the text, or we can also use one of these existing and trending memes. So if I like one of these, I can select the same one and just change the images and the text, or I can add a video and create a GIF meme. So there is really a lot of things to do here in Kapwing, and again, we're gonna make more videos, so stay tuned. Now, just for the sake of this lesson, I will pick one of these, well, really simple one. Yeah, let's say I want to use this meme here. So I click here, and this will load up this template. So I click here, edit this template, and here I am back again into the workspace, into the studio, so into the panel where I can edit. Okay, now this is everything online, so it also depends on your internet connection. So you won't have too many problems when you work with the images, but maybe with the videos it's a little bit different. You need a really nice internet connection, quick, otherwise it will work not so great. Okay, so here I have this image. I can use the same image, or I can delete it. So I can select this one here and say delete, and I can add my image. I can click on the plus icon, I can move this around, I can bring this backward or forward, depends where I want it. Now if I bring this forward, it's gonna hide the text, so be careful. Okay, let's say that this is my image, and also that's the text there. So I can scale these images a little bit. I can do a lot of things here, but we're gonna get back to those in another video. Just want to show you the basics here. So I can click and move the text. I can edit the text, double click, and just type whatever you want. And that's gonna be your meme. So when you finish here, you can export directly here, and you can download it, you can edit again, you can share it directly in your social network. So this is why Kapwing it's excellent for, kind of video editing for beginners, but also if you have social networks accounts, you can create content, you can post, you can do really a lot of stuff real quick, real easy, real fun. Okay, now if you want to keep this but not finished yet, you just go back to the workspace, and that's gonna be there for you when you want to change it in another time. So it's there, it's gonna be saved in your workspace. So again, you can create more workspace, you can share more workspace with other team members if you have a team, and you can work together. So it's a nice tool to collaborate, and it has a lot of tools. So the meme generator is just one, but look how many there are out there. So you can do all this. It's basically everything that you can do with Kapwing. So we are going to do a lot of video guides about all this stuff later on, because they are really interesting. Okay, if you go to collections, you can check again all the collections. And so you can use a template, an empty template, or you can use these ready-made things that you can just customize. For example, let's get into the Instagram border templates. You can use this empty, and then you can fill them out. Or if you scroll, I guess you will find no. Well, I think that in some cases you will find things like we saw in the meme that you can, yeah, that's another example. You can start from scratch. That means you're gonna have an empty space, or you can start with a template. And we have a lot of collections and a lot of templates that we can start from. So you just need to change the content, but you can use this as a base for your customization. So I think this is really great, really amazing. Let me know what you think in the comments in YouTube, or if you are watching this live in Twitch. So I'm going to stop the video right now, and the video that's gonna be on YouTube is gonna stop here, but I'm gonna stay a little bit for chatting and answering questions, or also if you want to give suggestions and so on. So we're going to make a lot of videos, lots of guides about Kapwing. We're gonna create a new video course, a new playlist that you can watch in YouTube. So for those ones who are watching YouTube, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.